I want to give him a hamster.
No. We should get him banana skins.
That's great, but I think we should get him something that he really likes. I know what he likes. He likes cookies.
He's a cookie monster.
But we have a problem. Hello, Muppet. We don't know how to make them. We can look on Mocha website.
Yeah. Mocha. Oh, look. There's Granny Marty. She has 100 years of baking experience.
Let's call Granny Marty.
Yep.
Hello?
Where's Granny Marty, Zoe?
I think she's coming about now.
Ding dong.
Granny Marty, go!
Slow down, my children. Great things take time. Baking cookies involves mixing different ingredients together in a certain order, quantity, and procedure before baking them together to achieve a desired result. Similarly, in chemistry, we refer to recipes in the form of chemical equations, which tell us how many moles of different reactants are required to obtain the desired compounds. If certain procedures are not followed properly when conducting experiments, an undesired product may form. Now, let's take out the ingredients. By converting the ingredients into simplified chemical formulas, we can deduce the number of moles of each compound used.
I know. The limiting reaction is the reactant present in the smallest stoichiometric amount. In the recipe, the number of moles of cream of tartar is the smallest. Therefore, cream of tartar is the limiting reagent.
Yes, that's right, Oscar. Now, on to the ingredients. Firstly, we have the dry ingredients. Starting with butter.
But why do we need butter for?
Butter contains fats, and these fats help trap air bubbles. This process bubbles a bit of hydrogen through vegetable oil, which changes its chemical structure and allows it to be a solid at room temperature. Okay, next we have sugar. Sugar increases the spread in cookies. The finer the sugar granules, the more spreading it causes. You know, when added properly, sugar stabilizes whipped egg whites very effectively. It slows the unfolding and aggregation of egg protein, and a thick, viscous syrup is formed. It protects air bubbles from collapsing.
A millet reaction also takes place between sugar and protein in the baking process. The carbonyl group of sugar reacts with nucleophilic amino group of amino acid. An unsaturated aldehyde or ketone is formed, together with flavor compounds and brown pigment. These account for the taste, smell, and the color of cookies. Reaction between the carbonyl group of sugar and the nucleophilic amino group of amino acid, plus the loss of water, will cause the formation of the sheaf base. The sheaf base then rearranges itself to become the amadori product. The millet reaction needs to be controlled to produce the best cookies. This can be done by adding protein or reducing sugar, removing water, increasing the temperature or pH. Addition of protein provides a protein source for the reaction, while reducing sugars provide a source of sugar. By increasing the temperature, more water is removed, so the reaction can take place faster. Increasing the pH makes the cookie more alkaline, and so the amino groups are disproportionated, hence increasing nucleophilicity. All these factors causes the millet reaction to speed up, so the cookie will taste sweeter as more amidori products are formed.
Granny Marcy, what about the white fluffy things? Elmo wants to know.
Alright, Elmo. The white fluffy things you are talking about is flour. Flour is used in baking as it binds the ingredients together, supports the batter, and contributes body and structure, texture and flavor to baked goods. Now, we have the egg. The egg white provides strength, stability, and moisture to our homemade cookies. We can whip egg whites up to 8 times their volume, creating a desirable medium where air cells can be trapped to leaven cookie dough. The egg yolk increases richness, tenderness, flavor, and color in homemade cookies. They also extend shell life by delaying the stalling process. Proteins in yolk act as an edible glue, binding to both water and oil, holding the cookie dough together. This is how you get soft and tender homemade cookies.
What is it? Cream of tartar.
That's used to stabilize the egg white foam.
What about baking soda? Yeah, Granny Marcy. What is it?
Alright, I shall tell you what baking soda is. It is a chemical leavening agent that causes batter to rise when baked.
Wait. Granny Marcy,
Mm-hmm.
what is leavening?
Leavening is a foaming action which lightens and softens the product. Understand? The leavener enlarges the bubbles which are already present in the batter produced through creaming of agents. It also neutralizes the acids in the recipe to provide extra tenderness and some more leavening.
So what's this cinnamon sugar for, Granny Marcy?
It's just for flavor, right, Granny Marcy?
Yes.
What a cinnamon sugar?
It looks so good.
Smells great.
I smell cinnamon.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Do you hear something?
Oh my God, it's Cookie Monster! Hurry! Put it in the bag! Hurry!
I smell cookies.
Surprise!
I smell something lovely in the air.
Let me see.